strangest sight. A steaming hot lake surrounded by snow and ice over 9,000 feet above sea level in the crater of a semi-active volcano. This is the Maori village of Jerusalem on the banks of the Whanganui, one of New Zealand's most beautiful rivers. It's very shallow in parts and has many small rapids on it. So a special kind of launch is used which has, mounted in a tunnel, twin propellers that actually revolve above water level and can sail in a few inches of water to make it easy to pass over the rapids. And here comes that tea again, for it's a national institution in New Zealand between 10 and 3. Our launch, because of its propeller combination, is slow, but you don't mind that among scenes like these. There are many small rapids on the upper reaches of the Whanganui, and they're passed by picking up a steel cable fastened to the bank, which is turned around a capstan to pull us over them.